Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about tulips. They're on trend for boutonnières. Absolutely beautiful. But you want them in this bud stage. The reality, they open so quickly. The way to solve that? Go ahead, hydrate them. Let them start to open. You can see how it is beginning to go. Then, using your 3M Super 77 spray glue, spray into the center of the bloom and then just hold it tightly until it sets. It will keep it closed. It'll be perfect, and it doesn't shorten the life at all. So now you know how the pros do it.